Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be stitch fixing. That's right, we have my August Stitch Fix box, so we're going to go ahead and open it up, see what I got, and try it all on and see what I'm going to be keeping. For anyone who is unfamiliar with Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. You sign up for it, take a style quiz so that your stylist can get a good idea of what it is that you would like to have, whether it be pants and skirts and dresses or blouses, whether you want things that are going to be going out, staying home, office type apparel, whatever the case may be. They're able to choose it as appropriately as possible. They send you 5 items. You try them on, decide what you want to keep, send back what you don't. It's a really, really easy way to add to your closet and get some new things that you didn't necessarily pick out for yourself. There is a $25 styling fee that is then applied to the contents of the box, and if you like everything in the box and decide to keep all 5 pieces, you do get a 25% discount off of the entirety of your order. So let's go ahead and let's bust in to this baby here. It's actually bigger than usual. Like, it's a thick baby. So let's go ahead and cut her on open. Ooh, that sounded creepy. So inside on the top we have all of our info. It has a pre-postage paid return envelope for anything you don't want. It has a style guide. It has the information on all of your pieces, and this is what the clothing looks like. And the reason that the box is so big is I actually have something I've never gotten before, and I'm pretty sure that these are shoes. That will be interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open these up first. Ooh, okay. There's some Toms. I've never owned Toms before. They are a really nice light gray, which will go with basically everything that I own, which is nice. That's kind of exciting. These are size 8.5. I think they're wide as well. Super interested to try these on, but let's go ahead and let's see what clothing we got as well. As usual, lots of blue, some yellow, seems to be my power colors. And the one on top, I can already say is so freaking cute. I love this print. It is really, really cute. It is a tank top and it is blue. It has this beautiful lacy detailing in the back. It has some of that lacy detailing on the front with the same floral pattern as the rest of the top. Super excited to try that on. It is from the brand Mason and Bell. I don't know if I have anything from them yet. The next item in here is also a tank top, August appropriate for sure. This is from the brand Paper Moon. I do have some of those of their items that I have had in the past and kept. So it's just a striped tank top with gray and white stripes on it. So we'll give that a go. All right, moving into more fall appropriate. This has got kind of a 3/4 length. This is from the brand West Key, and it's just a yellow and white blouse. Interested to try this on. It looks like it would be a really easy piece to just sort of throw on. And then we get some more shorts. So we'll definitely give those a try. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll start trying on these pieces and see how they fit and what we think. Okay, so first 2 pieces that we're going to talk about. Firstly, the shirt. This is the first one that I pulled out from the box, and I really like it. It is very, very comfortable. I like that even though there's this detailing here, it hides my bra straps, which is nice because sometimes you get this sort of lacy design, but then you struggle to figure out what to put underneath it, and you know your girl is not wearing a strapless bra. So I really like that there is enough detailing and patterning here that you can't see it. So that is really, really nice. I love the back of it. I think this is just such an easy, flattering tank top to wear. Also, these are the shorts. they fit really well. They do. I really like that they've got some stretch here. They're not too short. They don't feel like they are riding up, but they still make my tushy look nice. So yeah, I actually really do like both of these items, and I think they go super, super well together. So let's try on the next shirt, shall we? Okay, here is the second tank top. It feels very like beachy for some reason. Maybe it's just the stripe pattern. I don't know. It's got a cute little pocket here. Fits really nicely. It comes to a good length. It's not super, super long, but the scallop does cover up the bum. So it's fine. I don't think it's necessarily anything special or exciting, but it is really, really easy to wear. And again, I'm in the South. It's August. It's hot, so having some tank tops, because I think I only own like 2 or 3 tank tops, having something that's really easy to throw on seems nice, and it fits just fine, and I don't really know what else to say about it. It's just a really easy sort of top. All right, here is the final top from the box, and I can tell you right now it's gonna be a no. I don't like the way that it fits my body. I don't like where the sleeves fall, because they kind of get caught when I bend my elbow. It's got kind of this elasticized bottom here that's supposed to, I think, give the illusion that it's been kind of tucked in but then untucked a little bit, and I don't find that very comfortable. And honestly, I don't think that this is terribly flattering on me, which is a bummer because I like the idea of it and I like the colors. I just don't think that this fits me very well, and I don't think that I will be keeping this. All right, and this is what the shoe looks like. Don't mind my crazy sock. I only own crazy socks. It's fine. It's not terribly cute. I think Toms aren't necessarily supposed to be cute. They're supposed to be kind of functional, but yeah, they're okay. All right, so let's talk about the items that we have gotten in this box. We're gonna talk about the prices, we're gonna talk about what I think, and we're gonna talk about what we're gonna keep and what we're going to be returning. Let's talk first about the shoes. Let's talk about the Toms. They're fine. There is nothing wrong with them. These Toms, they do retail for $59.95. I know the Toms are very, very popular. They are a high quality item. This is nothing against the Toms themselves, but I'm gonna go ahead and send these back. I don't need any shoes right now. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I don't really leave the house. Literally, when I do leave the house, I'm either currently in flip-flops or I am in my Skechers. I have little Skechers slip-on walking shoes. I don't need anything else, and I just can't justify spending $60 on just a regular pair of shoes that didn't like wow me, knock my socks off. They're not terribly flattering. They're not, you know, cute. So I'm sad to say that I will be returning the Toms. Let's go ahead and talk about the first shirt that I pulled out. This shirt right here. And I really like this. I do. I really like this a lot. Again, this is by the company Mason and Bell. This is their Tempesta lace detail tank. It is a size large, and obviously navy is the color. This does retail for $44. So this is kind of in their sort of mid-range area. And I do like this top quite a bit. The next top that we tried on is this gray and white striped top. Again, this is from Paper Moon. This is their Egan 1 pocket knit top. It is also a size large, and it does retail for $38. I mean, this is fine. This really is. This is fine. But I don't think that I need it. As I said, don't have a lot of tank tops, but I don't think this is one that I need to spend $38 on and add it to my admittedly small collection. So I think that's going to end up going back. This yellow top right here, there we go. Again, this is from the brand West End Key. This is their Allen Surplus roll tab high-low top in the shade yellow, and it is a size large, and it does retail for $44. I didn't like this at all. It did not fit my particular body or taste well, so that one is definitely going to be a return. And the item that I'm on the fence about are the shorts. This is from the brand Cut From The Cloth. This is their Terran Run Roll Cuff Short in the size 14, and they do retail for $68. And honestly, that's why I'm on the fence. I received a pair of shorts earlier in the summer from the same brand. You guys, I wear them constantly. I wear them constantly. Don't know if I need a second pair of $68 shorts. They're cute, they're comfortable, they fit me well. And again, I am in the South. It is August, so it is still hot, but also it's gonna be warm for quite a while. So throughout all of August and at least all of September and probably part of October. So they would definitely get use. But do I want to spend another $68 on a second pair of shorts? And I'm feeling uncertain. I'm feeling uncertain. So if I were to go ahead and get both of the items that I want, then the total initially would come to $112, but we would take off my styling fee, which is $20, and that would bring it down under 100. But again, I don't know. What are your thoughts? What did you think of the items that we got in this month's box? I would love to know your opinions. If you have not tried Stitch Fix and you are interested in giving it a try, check the description box below. There is a referral link there. That will get you $25 off of your first box. It will also give me a $25 credit, so it would totally help me out. But if that makes you uncomfortable, don't worry about it. Just go to Stitch Fix's website. I'm sure they have generic codes that will get you the same discount. It just wouldn't give me a kickback. So do whatever makes you feel good. But I love my Stitch Fix subscription. I say that in every single video, and it's a fun service. And typically I get boxes that I keep a lot more items from. This one just happens to be a meh box for me. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.